Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get mint plant and grow a garden full guide. Take a healthy cutting or seed and pot it in well-draining soil immediately after preparation. Keep the container in partial sun, water moderately, and avoid waterlogged conditions. Check for pests weekly and pinch back growth to encourage bushiness. Rotate pots for even light and be patient while roots establish for vigorous mint growth. Start by mixing compost into your soil to boost nutrients and structure before planting mint. Use a light, well-draining potting mix or amend garden soil with sand and compost for better drainage. Plant cuttings at the same depth they grew before, firming soil around roots gently. Water after planting to settle soil, then let the surface dry slightly between waterings to prevent root rot and encourage strong, healthy plants. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more gardening tips and short updates. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like your plants and try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort. I link the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Water mint consistently while letting the top inch of soil dry between waterings to avoid overwatering. Prune and pinch back tips regularly to prevent legginess and to encourage bushy growth, harvesting as you go. Apply a light balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during active growth and reduce feeding in cooler months. Monitor for pests and diseases, treat promptly, and rotate pots occasionally for even light exposure and healthier plants overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.